The emotional intelligence that I saw from the kids and the improvement in the emotional intelligence and the way that you guys got that out of the kids was done in a really safe way. The kids really enjoyed themselves. They were laughing, they were smiling, and it was just a really fun way to learn in that environment.
I felt like I was appreciated and accepted for who I was, and there's no one was going to judge me for that. And I feel like, that was good for me to give me that confidence and that not be afraid to just open up. And so it's been extremely helpful for me.
It'll allow the teachers to actually understand us better. Be yourself, and everyone here has got your back. It's not as superficial as you think it's going to be.
I really enjoy working with people within school, people in life that are still kind of going through life and figuring it out, because I was there once, And I think personally I lacked the vision, the control in myself, in the world around me, and I didn't have the role models there and the ideas that should have been told to me to grow as a person.
I love working with these young people because they are so full of ideas and inspiration and passion and curiosity to learn that I take inspiration out of it personally. And I learn just as much from them as I think they learn from us. They give me drive to wake up every day and to try and be a better version of myself.
I really enjoyed learning about each other and myself. Just the possibilities that are out there in my future and what is right now. Probably the best bits were the sort of self-reflecting, where I just got to do it by myself, but I knew everyone else was in the same boat. So
it was really interesting to see that everyone was kind of on the same area, same field in terms of feelings and shared experiences and stuff. So it was a bit of an eye-opener to see everyone, I guess, connected in a way in terms of that.
A lot of them actually have the same thoughts and feel the same way as me and have the same humour as well. And they can understand from what we've all been through and how I can help them to them help me. It's pretty much really, what was the saying, if you scratch my back, I'll scratch your back.
I think connecting to the kids on a different level as well and seeing them in a different way and really taking a step back and understanding the kids as humans as well. I think sometimes as educators we get stuck as being the teacher and they are the students, but being able to connect on a human level, I think it's going to be a much more powerful experience with the kids in the classroom.
Go beyond the curriculum, go beyond the school and start going into the person, into you. Who are you? What's your identity, Where do I build my resilience? How do I be a leader? And what are my strengths, that make me me? What's my personal identity? And that's what I love seeing grow. And I love seeing it happen authentically and come from the people and not from us so much.